Hello, children. This is our first session of Chapter 3, Our Solar System. This is a very interesting chapter because today we are going to travel in space. Are you ready? Then let's start. Children, this is our solar system. Now you will ask me, what is a solar system? The solar system includes the Sun, the Earth, and all other planets, moons, and other small icy objects that go around it. The Sun is at the center of the solar system, and as you can see here, all other planets revolve around the Sun. But have you ever thought, children, why do they revolve around the Sun? Why are they moving around the Sun? The Sun's gravity pulls the planets towards the Sun, and this keeps the planets moving around it. Do you know, students? Each planet has its place in a solar system. Now let's see how each planet is placed in the system. Here you can see from the picture that a big ball of fire is the Sun. After that, planet Mercury is closest to the Sun. Then comes planet Venus, and at the third position we have our planet Earth. Planet Mars comes next to the Earth, and then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And the last one that you see is Pluto. But Pluto is a dwarf planet. That means very, very small in size. It is so small that it is still not considered as a planet in our solar system. Now, children, there is a poem in your textbook named Planet Roll Call. Now, first, let us understand the title of the poem. For example, when in the classroom your teacher takes your attendance, she reads out your names to check your presence. This is called roll call. Similarly, through this poem, we are actually going to check the presence of all the planets in the solar system. This poem is written by Mish Goldish. Let's read the poem. 8 planets around the Sun. Listen as I call each one. Mercury here, number 1, closest planet to the Sun. That means Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. It is the smallest planet and it moves around the Sun faster than any other planet. Venus here, number 2, shining bright just like new. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is nearly as big as the Earth. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system, and it is so bright that it can often be seen after sunset or before sunrise as the brightest object in the sky other than moon. Next is planet Earth. Earth here, number 3. Earth is home to you and me. It is the only planet which has life. From space, Earth looks like a blue marble because 70% of the Earth is covered with water. Do you know, students, who is Earth's neighbor? Yes, it is planet Mars. And we humans have tried to explore this planet many times. There have been many tries of going to Mars. India has also sent Mangalyaan to Mars to find out something more about planet Mars. Mars here, number 4, red and ready to explore. Here, the word explore means to travel through, to learn about. Mars is also called as the red planet because it looks like an orange-red star in the sky. But do you know, students, it is red in color, but that doesn't mean it is very hot. It is pretty cold and it has the tallest mountains. Jupiter here, number 5, largest planet, that's no jive. That means it's not a joke, and actually, Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It is mainly made of gases, therefore, it is also called a gas giant. Now, let's move further. Oh wow, who's this? It looks like a ball is spinning a hula hoop. Is it a planet? Let's check it out. Saturn here, number 6, with rings of dust and ice that mix. After Jupiter, Saturn is the second largest planet. It has fabulous rings, and these rings are made of ice and dust. Do you know one more interesting fact about Saturn is that it has 150 moons. Oh, one more planet playing hula hoop? Let's find out its name. Uranus here, number 7, a planet tilted high in heaven. Here, the word tilted means having a slanting position. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It is the coldest planet. Therefore, it is also called as an ice giant. You can see in the picture, Uranus also has rings like Saturn. Neptune here, number 8, with one dark spot whose size is great. Here, the word spot means a dot and the word great means very big. Neptune is the 8th planet and the farthest from the Sun. Neptune has 14 moons. It is blue in color. Now here we end our planet roll call. And children, now you have to learn the spellings of all the names of planets. Listen carefully to understand the correct pronunciation. Number 1, Mercury. 2, Venus. 3, Earth. 4, Mars. 5, Jupiter. 6, Saturn. 7, Uranus. 8, Neptune. Now children, write these new words in your notebook and learn them. Now it's homework time. Activity 4 in your textbook. Here a picture of solar system is given and you have to write names of each planet according to their place. Do this homework in your textbook page number 18. Now students, I'm sharing with you an easy way to remember the planet's order. Take the first letter of each name and then make your words and make a meaningful sentence out of these words. Here you have to remember only one sentence. My very excellent mother just served us nachos. Isn't it a wonderful trick? So students, this brings us to the end of session 1. I hope you all enjoyed learning something different today, isn't it? Now, don't you think learning can be fun too? I will be back in the next session with some more interesting things. Bye for now. Thank you.